Hey guys, welcome to my Pilates inspired workout. We're going to be doing 15 exercises working on our strength and control. If you're ready, the first exercise we're going to start on our back. Feet shoulder width apart, push through your heels, lifting your hips off the mat into a bridge. Squeeze your bum, breathe out and slowly lower your hips to the mat. Repeat this, trying to focus on pushing your hips up with your glutes.
It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready.
Staying led down, lift your legs and touch your heels together. Keeping them together, extend your legs away from you, making sure your lower back stays in contact with the floor. Take a deep breath and bring your legs back to the start position.
It's been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready.
Laying down, knees bent, feet on the floor. Straighten one leg and push up into a single leg bridge. Keeping your legs straight, bring it slightly out to the side while keeping your hips level. Stay strong through your glutes and core. Lower yourself down and switch legs. If this is difficult, just focus on the single leg bridge without moving the leg away.
I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heart bitter.
Now come up into sitting, legs bent, a straight back and place your hands behind your head. Twist to one side and keep your hips facing forwards. Slowly lower yourself down until you feel the tension in your abs, and then use your abs to pull yourself back up into sitting and rotate to the other side. Start small and slowly go further with each rep as you get more comfortable with the exercise.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
Staying and sitting, place your hands on the mat and straighten one leg out, and you're going to bridge through the other leg to lift your body up off of the mat and use your arms to support you. Keep your hips in line with your shoulders, your core strong and your head looking up. Take a deep breath and lower yourself back down. Switch legs and repeat. And you can modify this by keeping both legs bent and just lifting your body as much as you feel comfortable.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes.
Starting in the same position, you're going to bend your legs, lift them off the ground, and lean back to shift your weight into your arms. You're going to extend your legs diagonally in front of you and make sure to keep your core engaged and strong. Take a breath out and bend your legs back towards your chest and repeat. If you need to modify, you can extend one leg at a time or put your legs down after each rep. Coming up onto your hands and knees, drop one elbow down to the ground and kick your opposite leg back and up. Really focus on squeezing your glute muscles. Keep it in line with your body at the top and then bring it back down to try and touch your elbow before extending back up again. Focus on trying to stay balanced when shifting your weight through the movement. Move slowly to stop any wobbles. Back onto your hands and knees, hands directly below your shoulders. Slowly lower yourself down, keeping your elbows tucked into your sides, and press back up through your hands to return to the starting position. To modify, only slightly bend your elbows, or to increase the difficulty, move your knees back slightly.
Trying to make you see who I am into. Thinking that you'll agree. I am bolder. So not my mind if I come over. To time to stop pretending you never knew. I was watching too. See, I am bolder.
And back to kickbacks on the opposite side now. Same as before, drop the opposite elbow, really focus on controlling the movement and using your glutes to extend your leg.
Never knew. I was sure you did, and you do. Stop pretending you never knew. I was sure you did, and you do. I am bolder. So not my mind if I come over. To time to stop pretending you never knew. I was watching too. See, I am bolder.
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking.
Back up onto your hands and knees, focus on keeping your core tight. This time we're going to step one foot back and then the other, coming up into a high plank. Take a deep breath out and come back down to kneeling. Really focus on slowing down the movement and try and keep your hips in line with your shoulders at the top and your hands directly underneath you.
Like pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end. Keep on wishing for a better day.
on your side however you feel comfortable, bending your bottom leg for support. Lift your leg so it's in line with your hips and aim to swing it forwards to 90 degrees in front of you. Stay controlled and bring your leg back in line with your body. Focus on controlling your leg through the whole movement, keeping it the same distance from the ground. If you need to, drop your leg down for a rest and join back in.
Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go.
Come back up onto hands and knees, slide one foot back, shifting your weight onto the opposite side. Reaching your arm up and over, twist through your body to follow your arm. Relax back down into a tabletop position and repeat this on the same side. Focus on trying to balance your weight as you move through the movement. To modify this, keep both knees bent on the mat and reach your hand overhead.
We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah, the better.
Laying on the opposite side this time, we're lifting our leg and doing the same movement as the previous exercise. Remember to focus on controlling your leg through the whole movement.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like oh, my, my, my.
Back to the tabletop position, twisting to the other side this time. Really focus on making the movement controlled, using your core to stabilise the movement and keep you strong and balanced. Remember, if you need it modified, keep both legs bent and rotate, bringing the arm up and over.
Just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. You know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my.
Last exercise, guys. Come into kneeling or sitting, arms out to the side. Bring them into the centre and back out, and then overhead and back down. Repeat this sequence, keeping your arms straight. You're going to feel it in your shoulders, chest and back. If you need to take a rest, drop your arms and join back in.
It's crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like
That is our Pilates workout complete. If you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you drop me a comment below and share the video with someone who you think might like it. Make sure you hit subscribe so we can work out together again. Have a lovely day and I'll see you at the next workout.